Weight loss and metabolic health are not one size fits all. Today, we have unpacked the real causes of obesity and metabolic syndrome. We have talked and explored why obesity is not a failure of willpower, but a disorder of metabolism driven by insulin, visceral fat, inflammation, sleep disruption, and years of nutritional misinformation. We have explored why diets matter more for weight loss than exercise, why you can't outrun the fog, how intermittent fasting works, why frequent snacks blocks fat loss, and why metabolic health, not calorie obsession, is the true path to sustainable weight loss. Weight loss and metabolic health are not one size fits all. Personalized medicine requires a proper medical history, individual assessment, and professional consultation before making major dietary and lifestyle changes. In the next videos, I hope you join me as I go deeper into practical strategies, common mistakes that sabotage fat loss, and how to safely apply these principles based on where you are in your journey.